After 14 days of getting your stitches in, you have to get them removed. So here's a quick tutorial on how to remove your sutures. Obviously, your doctor will have to do it, not you, but this is what your doctor will be doing. So this patient obviously had a couple of stitches here, so I'm going to show you how to remove them. Now remember, this has been on you for about 14 days. So bacteria does develop on the suture. So you have to be careful that we don't infect the wound. So what you do first, we lift it up by the knot and then snip right near the skin. So as you see here, there's this little piece that's still in the skin. And now when you pull the suture, you want to pull it away or up and then towards the wound. You don't want to go away from the wound, and that prevents any cross-contamination. So none of that bacteria that's on the top of the suture will get in. So once again, lift the suture. It will pinch the patient a little. Cut as close to the skin, and now pull towards the wound. And that's how you remove your sutures.